Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5-inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita's built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of best-in-class engineering. The SP6000J uses precision machine magnesium for the blade case, gear housing, and base. Exceeding industry-standard machine specifications, the SP6000J weighs only 9.3 pounds, making it the lightest saw in its class. The large two-finger trigger and the ergonomic rubberized handle provide additional comfort. The SP6000J has a soft start feature for smooth startups and a variable speed control dial for optimum performance in a variety of soft and hardwood materials. The electronic speed control and powerful 12-amp motor are designed to maintain constant speed under load, even under hard and thick materials, creating a smooth and splinter-free cut every time. The saw comes in a stored system case that protects the saw and is easy to store and carry. With the SP6000J, Makita has delivered a saw capable of performing precise, accurate, and straight cuts that'll change the way professionals and serious building do-it-yourselfers cut large sheets of materials. From the likely magnesium components to the splinter-free precision bevel cuts, powerful 12-amp motor, and ergonomic rubberized grip, the SP6000J is destined to become a favorite among professional woodworkers. Get into the plunge circular saw technology today.